thanks mainly to the efforts of Dondo Rontoneros. He's now resting reservingly on the bench. So got this. Here's Peña. But he missed. One more try. Wala pa rin. Villanueva going to go Rice. Darius Rice on the move. Rice on the move. He fires. Rice trying to do a virtuoso play. And Stogate with an air ball.
A good effort on the part of Dorian Peña. Pero stepping na siya doon. But something that you'd like to see if you're part of that coaching staff.
Timeout muna tayo rito with 6:04 remaining in the first half. Lamang pa rin ang Magnolia.
We have at this point, Nico, Purefoods should watch out because itong Magnolia actually building their lead with the import on the bench.
That's right, as Darius Rice scores anew, he has 20 markers. Yung import ng Magnolia, si Jamil Watkins, no other recourse but to stay on the bench with 3 personal fouls. And we still have over 5 minutes to play here in the second quarter. Danny Ildefonso gets Raimundo. Danny I. Off the glass.
Now that back shot of Danny Ildefonso has just gotten better with age. Nagiging perfect na talaga yung bank shot na yan, fading away over his right shoulder.
Here's Raimundo. One more try. And who gets the ball? It's the Dorian Peña. Here's Rosella. Calagio. Inside Danny I. Lob pass, Peña. And now Danny Siegel, first 3. Raimundo with the rebound. Purefoods, naghahabol dito sa second quarter. And that's an offensive foul on Roger Yap.
A good job of Olsen Rosella to set his position, realize what Roger Yap wanted to do, and drawing that charge.
And Jonathan Salvador checking in the ball game for Kirby Raimundo. Mike Cortez also coming in for Olsen Rosella. And Mark Fingris coming in for Dorian Peña. Those are the new gentlemen on the hard court. Mike Cortez. Now with Magnolia, that's trade with Alaska, sending L.A. Tenorio to the Aces. Here's Cortez. Danny I, drop pass. Too sharp for Fingris.
Actually, just that play, matagal masyado, nag-develop. Bago sila umatake, papunta ng basket, shot clock under 10 seconds. You know, that's where the problem really started for that offense of Magnolia.
Score is 41-32 in favor of the Beverage Masters. James Yap on the left side, 8 to shoot. Yap on the move. Yap fires. It is good for Villanueva, who has 6 points and 4 rebounds for his new team.
And you would expect at this point, para sa Purefoods, sila dapat ang mamuno pagdating sa rebounding. Gaya nga na sinabi natin, yung import ng Magnolia already has 3 fouls and majority, if not all of the second quarter, hindi na natin siya nakita.
Jonathan Salvador, natawagan ng kanyang first personal foul. Only the first team foul against Purefoods. With Ryan Gregorio hoping to start the conference with a victory tonight. Here's Danny Siegel, and Dynamite will go to the line. Only the first personal on the Purefoods import, and for Darius Rice, who has had no problem scoring tonight. As Danny Siegel connects on the first of 2 free throws. Wala nga problema sa scoring itong si Darius Rice. Balansado naman yung atake ng Magnolia.
And all over yung mga locals na Magnolia, they really come out here and help their import. Import hasn't been giving them minutes, so nandiyan naman sila lahat para sa kanya.
One more try for Ping Pinglish. And he scores off the glass. And he used to do that a lot with Pure Food.
A lot of people were asking what was wrong with the Magnolia team last conference. They had all the stars that they needed. I really thought one of the guys that they needed, or a player that they needed, was a guy with energy. And I think ito si Mark Pinglish, ito na yung energy guy na kailangan ng Magnolia to get over the hump and maybe go all the way dun sa ating final. Something that they were built to do.
And Pinglish completes a 3-point play. Pinglish now with 7 points. He started this game for Magnolia. And well, this is now the biggest lead for the Beverage Masters, 46-34. Darius Rice connects with you. 22 points for Pure Foods Import. Still a 10-point lead for Magnolia. With under 3 minutes to go in the second quarter. Nice pass. Pinglish for Daniel DeFonso. Here's Roger Yap. Stepped on the bricks and saw an opening and he scored first 2 points for Roger Yap.
And only the 5th contributor para sa Pure Foods. Nabanggit mo kanina, atake ng Magnolia, balansyado. On the other side, Pure Foods, you only have 5 players who have scored.
8 to shoot for Magnolia. Cortez has the basketball. Cortez with a floater.
Well, that's great. Itong Eli Tenorio para kay Mike Cortez. You know, both prime point guards. But I would say one of the things that you would like para sa Magnolia, ito si Mike Cortez, more of their pace. Yung galaw ni Mike Cortez, sabay na sabay at akma na akma dun sa galaw ng Magnolia.
Here's Villanueva. And Rice now with 24 points in the ball game. A minute and a half to go in the second quarter. Daniel DeFonso has the basketball. 10-point lead for Magnolia. Here's Danny Siegel with a pull-up.
A good play of Danny Siegel. Sumuscore nga to si Darius Rice on one end, but Danny Siegel has been attacking his defense, and Danny Siegel already has 13 points of his own.
Here's Salvador. And last touch on Magnolia with 10 on the shot clock. Meantime, we have a timeout with 1:04 to go in the second quarter. 12 puntos ang kabante ng Magnolia. Well, Mark Pinglish, really spent a lot of time and a lot of energy looking for his father, which nagawa nga nila when they went to Europe. And we're glad to know that the family's reunited. And James Yap with a spinner rule as we're about to end action here in the first half of play.
And really one of the true feel-good stories ng ating liga, itong story ni Mark Pinglish sa paghahanap ng kanyang ama.
Here's Rice. There you go, automatic. With 27 points. Ano ba the interest nito? 5 triples in the first half alone.
Yan ang tinatawag galing ng States pero marami ng dalang load.
Here's Daddy I. And the cold shot with quick hands. Gets the steal, and he'll think about the three, passing instead. 10 seconds to shoot, and Magnolia can write the last sentence of the second chapter. And they're on top by 7 points here, 52-45. Siegel for three. Shot was deflected. Oh, Pinglish! Mark Pinglish with 9 points for his new team. And Magnolia is on top by 9 as we end the first half of play. 54-45. So this is an interesting game because sa dami ng mga player na nagpalitan, naglipatan, and we have 2 very interesting imports as well. At ngayon ay makakausap ni Dominic Uy, yung mga nagpalit ng address dito sa PBA. Dominic, go ahead.
Enrico, anong pakiramdam playing against your former teams?
Siguro kanina medyo awkward yung pakiramdam. Nakita mo sila
magkalaban. Pero nung pagkatapos